Hello everyone. This is another recap of my trade account. It's another rough day in the market for me. I just want to highlight some mistakes I made. We were trading the Nasdaq, and this right now we're looking at the 1 minute chart. This is a screenshot, or I mean, this is a previous recording, so I'm just going over it. So if you watched the last video, you know I was down $765 on the day. There's no way I should have been down that much if I would have followed my rules. But let's review everything. Started right here. This is the opening range. Opening range in the Nasdaq can be pretty wild. We know that. I did another low range trade trying to get the perfect entry. Once again, I got pretty close. Got stopped out by a few ticks. I made a small mistake here, and this consolidation area, I included this in my risk area, my risk zone, but I did not include these two wicks. I should have included these two wicks, but obviously it was too much for me to bear because generally my max drawdown for the day should be no more than $500. I got pretty close to that in that one trade, and that's not taking this risk area right here. So if I would have, it would have been around probably around 460. I'm just assuming, and that wouldn't allow me to take any more trades for the day. So and I really want to get filled here at 500 flat, so that's why I took that. I should have examined my risk and just went ahead and accepted the fact that I might not get filled and tried to get down a little bit lower down here. That way my risk could have been a little bit further down and I would have made this trade right here. Yeah, pretty upset about it. If you watched the last video, everybody knows. And then after that, my problem was basically revenge trading for the rest of the day. So if we go to the very end, you can see let's see. My first trade. Right here was just a simple mistake. But at this point right here, I should have called it a day on my second trade. I took another trade here, hoping that I had good position, which I did actually. I was up about $650, which put me back in the green. But I didn't reach my profit target, which my profit target was somewhere up here. I want to say it was probably 535 flat. It did not reach it and proceeded back down to the downside and stopped me out. Now, yesterday I explained how if you have a plan, it's important to keep the plan in play, especially if you have bought your shares cheap. So basically, this is cheap. It was low on the range and everything. The placement was good. It just ended up stopping me out. And then goes to my profit target. It's okay, but the last trade we reviewed, I was positive. I was positive on the day. So even if it went against me, I would either broke even or maybe $100 loss on the day. Right here, with already being like $400 or $500 loss and it taking me into the green, I should have captured that profit. That's the case where I should have captured the profit, because the main goal should be really not to lose any money. Even though you are going to lose money, you want to lose the least amount possible. So I should have went ahead and took in profits there, and I would have been able to have a clear mind the rest of the day and continue trading on. Yeah, I'm still just kind of flustered over the whole thing. So, but it's a heavy toll and a big lesson in the market today. Will not be making that mistake again, and that's why we're here to log it. So, you guys are here. You're gonna see my winners and losers. This is a big loser. It should have never got this big. I should have closed everything out after $500, but I started revenge trading. So yeah, we'll be back in the markets tomorrow, hopefully. I might do some overnight trading if the setups are there, but we'll see. If I do any overnight trading, there will be a recap video. So see you guys next time.